Hey everyone, been a while since my last video because I have been busy with work, but I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I have an ETB of Twilight Masquerade, and I wanted to test the water here because I've got the 9 packs from the ETB. There's our promo card there from the ETB. I also bought a single pack of Twilight Masquerade just to sort of test the water to see, is the ETB stacked with some hits, or are we going to get a better hit from a single pack? Anyway, let's get on to the video. Let's try and get a hit or two. How have you been doing with this set? Have you started it yet? Are you actually... There's a code card. And are you after any card in particular, like the Infinite, the, was it the Chansey, and who we got there? Heatran. Okay. Is it, everyone's after the Greninja. I know they are. That'd be pretty dope to get that. As we know, not from ETB, but in a video where we pulled the... Here we go. Let's get lucky, people. Oh, the Eevee, yeah, the Eevee card, that's pretty, gonna be cool. Everyone's after that one. The Growlithe, oh yes, oh, awesome. What have we got there? Cornerstone Mask Ogerpon EX. I'll take that. I will take that. That's a great start. Second pack in, that's pretty good. Any hit is a hit. Obviously, we want the special illustration rares because they're a bit cooler and harder to get, right? Okay, let's try and get these a bit closer for you. Lampy, Air Palm. What we got in Agron? I believe this is the set with the ace packs, right? As well. I am Bundle and a Frostless. Yeah, I think it's the ace packs. They say that this set was created for the players rather than the collectors, but you know what us collectors are like. We like to collect. We like to collect the cards, don't we? Slugma, Swirlix, Tadbulb. Hey, it's my man. It's Snorlax. It's me, man. My son calls me Snorlax. He pointed at a picture and said that, Daddy. Oh, yes. Sinister EX. We will take that. The attitude I have is a hit is a hit. Obviously, the bigger and better the hit, the bigger the views and the better we do. So our master set. Hey, there's your code card. And we have, here we go, Ducklet, Ninetales, Trevon, and Molka, Clefable, Cook, Palfin, Diplin. Oh, yes, the Prospas. And the Infinite. That's not the Infinite I'm after. I think you know which one I'm after for the Infinite, but the Propass, I like this. That's a good, solid start. So far, so good. 3 hits. 3 solid hits so far. Are you like me? Like, you get a little bit excited opening up a new set because, you know, building that master set, you literally need every card. So, Applin, Litlick, Fuchina, Carmine. Now you want the full art Carmine. That's going for like 80-pound plus at the moment. Skamori and a Pheasant. I can't even pronounce that. It's a nice little card there. It's a card that my daughter and I are chasing. Just one of the standard cards. I don't know if it's one of the new Pokemon called Okie Dokie. I showed her a picture of it. She really liked it. She will be watching this video and be praying that we pull Okie Dokie. Ah, Tatsuguri. Tatsuguri. We want the full out of that. That's a sick one. Diplin again. What do we got there? Polly. And a Walking Wake Hollow. Okay. What's your big chase card? Is it the Greninja? Is it something else completely different? Are you the Eevee lover? You after the Timber one, yeah. Growlithe, Diplin, and we're getting into the, hopefully, Abra, and Alakazam for the hollow. That was a good Abra into that, wasn't it? How are you doing with your other sets? I will be doing videos soon to show you an update on how we're doing with Obsidian Flames and how we're doing with 151. Kern, Abra, Snorunt, Glaceon, Sandy, Iron Bundle, Luminizer. Oh my god. No freaking way. The biggest chase card in the entire set, and we put it on the last pack of the ETB. Can you believe this? That is 120 pounds. Easy. Right there. 120 pounds. Anybody's money. Oh, that is sick, my friend. And a Zapdos. Nice. That's the one everybody's after. Boy, did I choose the right ETB, huh? Biggest hit of the entire lot. Single pack now. We've done the ETB. So in the last pack of the 9 from the ETB, we pulled the biggest chase card in the entire set of Twilight Masquerade. Can you believe it? I kind of feel that this single pack is going to be one of those wah 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 moments now. Well, we'll give it a go. We'll see. You never know. We may get lucky. Oh, I can't stop staring at it. It's such sick artwork. Obviously, see a little shine of the Iron Leafs. There you go. So the single pack, it was good, but nothing in comparison. Let me give you a bit of a recap. We got this one. Oh, we got this one. We got the Pro Pass. And holy cow, we got the Greninja. The biggest one of the lot. Have you got this card yet? Or am I just the luckiest man alive right now? Look at the artwork on that. That is insane. That is a beautiful card. I can see why it's the chase card of the set. I honestly thought I would not get this. I might have got the other Greninja, but never in my wildest dreams did I think I would pull the big one. Oh, that's great. That's gotta hit a like right there. That one, score that like. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notifications. I can only do these videos if you guys keep watching. Okay? So you guys keep watching. I will do these videos. Okay? I will see you soon for another video because we are gonna open more packs. I got more Obsidian Flames. Yeah, I can't even remember. I can't even speak right now. I'm just blown away that we have this card. But yeah, I've got lots more to come. So fingers crossed, but this is a great start to this set. Biggest chase card of them all. I will see you soon for another video. Peace out. Love you all.